Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. I tried as much as I wanted to be healthy in this video, but then I think I gave up. So yeah, let's just see what I gave up on, and yeah, let's just get started with this video now. Also, I'm shooting this I'm refilming this video because I've already done it before, and due to some technical reasons I was unable to hear the voice, which is why I have to say the entire video all over again and reshoot it. So yeah, let's just get started now. So first things first, in the morning I didn't have breakfast that day. Usually I do have breakfast, and I think the breakfast is a very important meal in the entire day. But that day I think there was nothing at home, and I was too lazy to cook it out, which is why I didn't have anything, and I just had some basic chai. Now chai, if you see, it is very constant for me. Like on a daily basis I do have chai. Having a lot of habit of having chai throughout the day, like 2-3 times, I don't recommend that. So I have gradually stopped doing that, and over the past few weeks or months, I think I have stopped having chai in the evening. It is only very rarely that we crave for it and I have it, otherwise I don't. So the only thing that the first thing that I had in the morning as a breakfast that day was chai. Next up, I was really in a good mood to cook that day in the afternoon. Since morning went on very lazy, and I regret it because I think doing some kind of activity in the morning will make you very active throughout the day, and if you are lazy in the morning, I think it is very wrong. So I try and not be very lazy in the morning. So that day it happened, but then over the time in the afternoon I thought that no, I have to cook, and I tried to film it. So I wanted to eat healthy also that day, so obviously healthy food is very easy to cook sometimes. So I think that day in the afternoon I had curd rice, which is a very basic food, and I think everyone has had that, and it is also very healthy, also very filling, and you don't have to look after a few hours like you are hungry all the time. That doesn't happen in this kind of a dish, even though it is very light, but it's very filling. There are different ways that everyone cooks this particular dish. Some of them cook directly on the gas, some of them cook separately. So I am the one who cooks separately. So I do the tadka separately, I did the dahi separately, and also I did the rice separately. So what I did is, first I steamed the rice and that was ready, after which I just took some dahi in one vessel and added salt and just mixed it, whisked it, and it was very easy to do. So there are no lumps, and it has to be very smooth in texture. So once that is done, it takes hardly a few seconds to do it, if you have a whisker or you are too fast to stir it up. So once that is done, after which I did the tadka. So in the tadka I added some hing, some lal mirchi, mustard seeds, jeera. All of these when you add, there's a good aroma that comes out. Kari patta, all of these when you add, it gives a good aroma, and I think once that is done, you just have to add it to your dahi, and once you add it to your dahi, you just mix it. Take a serving plate, add your rice, above that just top it up or mix it up with the dahi that you have prepared already. Mix that all dahi and then garnish it with beautiful leaves of coriander, and I think it tastes amazing. If you haven't tried, you would need to give it a try. Try making these dishes, which are very simple to make. I think cooking your own food and eating it gives a different kind of happiness as well. Later in the evening I was craving some good chai, but as I said that having chai all the time during the day or throughout the day is not good for your health. So I went on to having haldi chai. So haldi and ginger. So as if you have not seen the earlier video of mine wherein I have shown that we do have a homemade haldi that my mom has just recently harvested, and and coincidentally I happened to see a video wherein they have shown multiple benefits of haldi, like the fresh haldi, and along with that they have ginger as a tea, like boiling in that water, and that way. And once that is done, you just add some lemon juice if you want to. If you don't want to, that is also fine. But this particular tea has a lot of benefits, so I'll list it down over here and you'll come to know that what are the benefits, and you can try it out, because haldi is like easily available now in winter and it's really like beneficial for health. So I think that you must have it once, because it's very refreshing and you can easily like quit chai and try having this one. So yeah, I absolutely loved this one, and if you can see, it also changed its color once I added some lemon drops to it. So once that is done, in the evening, I think in the night when we are craving some good food, I actually wanted to cook some salad or so on, but then my brother insisted on having Punjabi food, so we ordered it from outside, and it was a basic every time order that we have, which is like makhan wala, kolhapuri, and roti, butter roti. So it is kind of unhealthy. I don't know what it can be said, because it's outside food, so obviously we can't say it is healthy, but it's okay sometimes, and if you are craving, and it's actually very good, so that's not regretful. So yeah, that is what I had the entire day. I think it was quite healthy all the time, but then by the night I gave up and I had some unhealthy food, but that's fine, and I'll try and be more healthy now onwards, and I'll share all the recipes with you guys. Also, I'm sharing a lot of stuff now on my shorts, so if you have not seen those, do see that. So that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.